Alex and Commander Karim's forces have destroyed General Barkov's forward operations base, temporarily limiting Russian air capability in Urzikstan. We need to move fast. Sergeant Garrick, thanks to your intel, we tracked the Al-Qatala cell responsible for the Piccadilly attack to a townhouse in North London. 3 SAS teams will get inside and connect the dots. If the Wolf is in possession of the stolen Russian gas in Urzikstan, we need to find him. Be advised, there may be non-combatants on target. Check your shots. Targets are up, boys. Let's kick this off. Bravo 6. Moving on the rear garden.
Bravo 6 is Alpha 2. About to enter the west alley.
Copy. Bravo 6 moving interior.
I'll get the kettle on.
Quiet.
We're working with an ultra-nationalist group. They'll handle operations in the east after the attacks.
Trust.
Take the front row.
No, I do. But
Drop
this
on.
operation failed, so why would you not?
Secure.
Alpha 3. Entering through the front door.
Bravo 6 moving to the first floor. Target behind the door.
X-ray down.
Two X-rays down.
Copy.
Make sure this floor's secure.
First floor secure.
On me. Bravo 6 moving to the second floor.
Engaged. Hope you're the bad guys.
Check every room.
Floor secure.
Good call on the door, Garrick. Rally at the stairs. Bravo 6 taking the third floor.
I will not betray the wolf.
Then let me help. I don't want to be here if you're gone.
Betray Let me go! They're here! Let me go!
Check your shots.
Hands up! Now!
Don't move!
Secure him. Suck that kid up. Secure.
Last floor. Take point. Garrick, what are you doing? Those are for the bad guys, Sergeant. We've got one more floor, Sergeant. Flashbang. Are you fucking stupid? Let's secure the last floor.
Locked.
Try and take him alive.
Down! Get down! Get down!
Don't shoot! Don't shoot, please! They were going to kill
Don't
me!
move!
They
Stop!
locked me in here!
Drop him.
Stop! Clear.
All teams, townhouse secure. Commence SSE. Copy, boss. Roger.
Trust the place, Sergeant. See what you can find.
Oh, fucking hell. She was going for a bloody detonator.
Good job we dropped it in.
We made the right call, sir.
I'll bet your ass. We've got a location on the wolf.
The attic of the Al-Qatala townhouse was a gold mine. Looks like we found the wolf. Communications from the laptop were tracked to Ramaza Hospital in Urzikstan, where the Al-Qatala leader is believed to be holed up. Farah's forces will track terror activity at the hospital, while a Marine ground force can be mobilized to advance on the complex. Echo 3-1 will capture the wolf for interrogation about the stolen Russian gas.